morning. I just watched the cutest Christmas commercial I think I've ever seen in my life. It looked like this like sad old lady out in the woods all alone at Christmas time, and she missed her husband and she was about to go to sleep and just be like, oh, it's Christmas Eve, and then someone knocks on her door and it's Teleflora, which is I guess a delivery of flower company thing, and she's like, delivery for Mrs. Claus, and it says, I miss you too, love, Nick. Ah! I literally died. It was the cutest thing. But yes, good morning. Today has taken it out of me. I have decided that with this hair color, this outfit, I'm into it. But I had such a long day. I planned on going to the gym right after work, but I ended up having to go to Target. And when I got to Target, I realized that I had so many things to do on my computer to catch up on bills and to prepare for Christmas that I was like, I don't think that's gonna happen today. So I'm dressed for the gym, but I'm not probably gonna make it there. However, what I am gonna do is I'm gonna make ramen later because I'm craving me some ramen. Post dinner, I am now going through my Christmas list that I made. Don't judge my handwriting, but I made this so that I could prepare myself for what I wanted to make sure I did during Christmas time, and I'm gonna see if I did everything, or at least close to coming up to it. And then after that, I do need to make a packing list, and I need to make a grocery list for this coming week. So let's see here. I already oh my god, I can't talk. I already crossed out saffron buns because I did not have time this year to do that. But I did make bread. I did not make mince pies yet. I'm gonna try sometime. I'm probably gonna make fudge, which will stand for other treats. And I did make peppercacker. I have watched White Christmas. I have watched The Grinch. I have watched The Family Stone, plus. I'm gonna watch Home Alone 1 and 2 with Katie this weekend. And then we're doing this weekend. We're probably not gonna do the Christmas tree farm. And then I go to the cabin next week. So overall, not too bad. Okay. the episode of The Real Housewives where Heather gets a black eye. I think it's tonight. At least that's what I thought she said on Instagram. So I have laundry going, but oh, don't look at the state of my kitchen. It's not. Don't. I'm going to get snacks. I'm going to watch it and I will report to you if it happens. In true Heather fashion, she lied. It's not on tonight. It's on tomorrow night. So I'm rewatching Sex and the City. It's just that time of the year. But while I'm sitting here, I figured it would be a good time to catch up on my chocolate advent calendar. However, I'm not going to eat them all if they taste terrible. Big mistake last time, I ended up feeling so sick. So we're gonna try the 3 that I have. If it's gross, I'm not eating them. So, this is what the 3 look like, similar to last 3. So, feeling this is gonna be bitter, this is gonna be caramelly, and this is going to be either peachy or eggnoggy. That's my, oh, it also could be champagne-y. We'll find out. Bitter one. No, that's a no.